Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to the channel. I grabbed a couple things from Amazon. Thought we would take a moment and look at them. Two of them are by Born Pretty, and then we've got this. I've never ordered anything from this company before. I'm guessing you say Pween. So let's start there since I have it in my hand. Ooh. It's just a little stamping kit. It was only $5 something. It was under $6. So you've got this nice, this is nice and sturdy, a nice scraper. So it looks like it would pretty much scrape any image that you're looking for. There's not, you know, it's not too small or anything. So we'll be giving that a try. And then we've also got this round clear stamper. Sorry for that little clicky noise. Ooh. I hope that's on the underside. There's a little imperfection inside of it. So we'll see if that, I think it must be on the inside though. Not positive. So the top of it looks a little cloudy, like maybe it needs to be cleaned off. It does recommend on here that you wash it with soap and water if you're having trouble. So we will give that a try if we need to, but I also have my tape here. So, but there's definitely like a little weirdness there. Oh, look, the bottom popped out. Yeah, I think the imperfection is right here, but I don't know. This looks dirty to me, and that kind of bums me out that it's a little dirty. Huh. That's a bummer, right? There shouldn't, like this almost looks like it has lipstick on it. And plus it's got this little hole, like hole or something in it. Maybe I will just wash it off with some soap and water because it's kind of grossing me out. Okay, I did go wash it with some warm soapy water, and whatever was on there appears to be gone. As well, I don't know, it's still a little bit discolored. Okay, we'll see how it works, but first impression, kind of disappointed. Like, you shouldn't buy a product and wonder if somebody was smooching it or something. I don't know, it just, that's kind of a bummer, but okay. I also grabbed some new plates because I just really wanted some new images for stamping. When I'm working with my non-dominant hand, it's fun to have some things that are real easy to do as far as art goes. The first thing I want to say that I noticed right off the bat is that my other Born Pretty stamping plates came with sleeves. Let me show you. They came in, oh, those are Beauty Big Bang. But they came with sleeves on them, right? With the number on there and everything, and it keeps them very protected. But these did not, and I have to say, again, feeling a little bit disappointed by that. I definitely feel like I'll keep them in this bag and put sheets of paper in between them, some nice sturdy paper, so they don't get scratched up. I was expecting to see sleeves, and when I didn't, it was a real disappointment, I have to say. But okay. But we do have 8 plates here with different images, and we'll stamp something today from each one of these. Now the next thing, and my grandson ripped this already, so we did take a peek real quick, but we haven't swatched anything, so we're going to swatch by stamping, because these are the stamping polishes, and on the back you've got customer service information, and on the inside we've got this tray of the 12 of this set of 12. There's another set of 12, and there's a bigger set that you can buy as well. These are the 2 booklets I got from Born Pretty for the things that we got. If you want to take a screenshot of anything, go right ahead. And this is for the stamping polish, the instructions sheet. And then we have this side of it. So just pause if you want to read that or take a screenshot or something. So what I'm going to do now is just stop talking and stamp some images, and I'll check back in with you guys at the end and talk about my thoughts. All right, guys, let's talk about these things. Let's give a quick review. The plates, 10 out of 10, guys, 10 out of 10. They are really nice. They're etched really well. They are called the Christmas plates, Christmas stamping plates. So if you're looking those up, that's what you look for. If you can't find them, let me know. I'll link them for you guys. No worries. This is so pretty. I can't wait to stamp all of these. And like I said at the beginning of the video, it's nice to have something like this for if you're not good at painting with your non-dominant, and I'm not. So, I mean, I can do simple things, but anything that's more elaborate, I would struggle with. So it's nice to have that. I cut up the instruction sheets so that I could put papers in between them so they don't get scraped. That is... If I were taking a star away, it would be because they don't have sleeves. So that would maybe make it 9 out of 10. But love Born Pretty stamping plates. Love Born Pretty stamping polish. This is the Vitality series. And it goes from 1 to 12. So definitely check those out. You can see here how well they stamped. And speaking of stamping, this stamper is amazing. I know I said at the beginning I was disappointed with how dirty it was, and yes, 100%. There should not be whatever was on there. It was gross. So washing it made it better, and it works great. You can see how well it picked up all of these images so well. There's supposed to be one here, but I kind of screwed that one up, and I had this one with it, so I just stamped that, and whatever, it is what it is. It is what it is. The scraper is great. It's fine. My only real serious problem with this is that the stamper itself is held by this, which cannot be cleaned with acetone. And I don't really understand why you would do that. I have stampers from Macart. I've had these easily 2 years, okay? And you can tell they've been really well loved because the stamper itself is starting to get cloudy. But the holder is still clear and perfect, right? And how nail polish gets cleaned with acetone, I mean, not off the stamper itself, which is already kind of chipping a little bit, but this needs to be held by plastic that can be cleaned effectively with acetone, and that's a bummer. So for the dirtiness, the fact that there's already a chip coming out the side and the holder, I'll deduct 3 points and give it a 7 out of 10. But it is the best stamping surface I've ever used. And I'm going to do a ton of stamping because that was seriously fun. Guys, seriously fun. I'm going to go ahead and do, in the next couple of weeks, a how to start to finish, how to stamp. And I see a lot of requests for something like that in the groups I'm in on Facebook. So I thought it would be a really smart thing to do. So we're going to do that. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. 90% of you watching are not subscribed. So please subscribe. I got a big box of goodies right here when we hit 500. And we're so close, you guys. We are so close. So click that button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing / review. We're going to see you very soon for some more awesome nails. And until then, love you guys to pieces. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.